Most people know the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessing be upon him, as the messenger of peace. But he was also a commander, a protector, a warrior guided by Allah. And in his noble lifetime, he carried with him not one, but 9 legendary swords. These swords were not symbols of violence, but of justice, truth, and divine strength. Each sword was unique, carried into different moments of the Prophet's peace and blessing be upon him: mission, Al-Mathur, Al-Adb, Dhu Al-Fiqar, Al-Rasūb, Al-Battār, Al-Hatf, Al-Qal'i, Al-Mikhdham, Al-Qadīb. Dhu Al-Fiqar, the most famous among them, later passed on to Ali ibn Abi Talib. It became a symbol of courage and sacrifice in Islam. These weren't weapons of conquest, but tools for defending the oppressed, for standing against tyranny. The Prophet, peace and blessing be upon him, never fought for power or revenge, but only when commanded by Allah. Remember, every sword tells a story, not of war, but of a man, peace and blessing be upon him, who changed the world with truth, mercy, and strength.